Hi guys. Yes, it is me, Sarina, and I did get a haircut and dyed my hair. And this is going to be my 5th belching video, I think. Yeah, I'm gonna start belching now, just for you guys, because you guys rock. 2 thumbs up for you guys. Anywho, I'll start now. That tasted like a sub. Meatball sub, actually. I need some gum. That wasn't me, I swear to God. Hold on, I'm gonna take off my sweater, it's really warm. That wasn't me.
I am the best perch in the world.
You know, screw it, I'm just gonna put on my headset. I think this will sound a lot better now. I'm just gonna turn up my music a bit. There we go. Now. That didn't work too well, but whatever. I've gotten a lot better.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J,
K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, blah, 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 you know the rest. Hee.
Oh my God, no way.
Like those stupid little smiley pop-ups. Yeah, I hate those. Kathleen, say hi.
Hi.
Wait. Say hi.
Hi.
No, look here. Cat, look.
Hi.
Try and do a burp.
No.
Okay. Wave and say hi.
Hi.
Say, I am proud to be Canadian.
No.
Okay. Then you're obviously not proud. I had to do that. I need some gum to really power up my belches, because sodas like Coke don't do that. So There we go. Look at my awesome black GameCube controller. Yeah, it's awesome. And then, yeah, my awesome cell phone I got for my birthday. We can all try to change the past. Sorry, I'm listening to Dreams of an Absolution. From Sonic the Hedgehog for 360. Now let's see you girls try and beat that belch. These other girls on YouTube try and beat my belches. They can try. They can't beat me because I'm the best. What are you doing, cat? I'm gonna try doing one of my alien burps, but I'm not gonna look at the cam. I'm gonna look away, actually. Okay, I'm gonna do really weird burps, so don't run away, okay? These are gonna be kind of funny. And every night I will take it right. Whoa. Hold on, I've got more. I'm not gonna stop. But it's funny. Those were my alien belches. I'll try and do one of my alien belches.